For seismic-rated switchgear, how is the gear to be anchored to meet the seismic requirements? You would need to refer to the manufacturer-supplied installation drawings for anchor requirements and mounting considerations for seismic applications. Look for the required anchor locations, size, style, and load capacities, tension and shear, that may be specified on the installation drawings or specified by a third party. The mounting requirement details must be outlined and approved by the engineer of record for the project or building. The mounting requirements details that you would need could be anchor brand, type, embedment depth, edge spacing, anchor to anchor spacing, concrete strength, special inspection, wall design, and attachment to non-building structures. The structural walls, structural floors, and housekeeping pads must also be seismically designed and approved by the project or building structural engineer of record to withstand the seismic anchor loads as defined on the installation drawings. The installing contractor is responsible for ensuring the proper installation of all anchors and mounting hardware.